Hello. Welcome. Now I'm taking a look at my face like, I think it's looking a little rosy. My cheekbones are looking a little lifted today. And guess what, guys? That is because of a facial cream that I'm using. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share with you an amazing anti-aging facial cream. This cream contains vitamin A. It also contains vitamin E and vitamin C. Just amazing. Apply it on your skin, leave it overnight, and it's just gonna do a number. It's gonna transform your skin into a healthy, younger looking skin. So if you're interested, if you're looking for a simple but a very effective remedy that you can use on your skin to have your skin looking years younger, to take your skin to the next level in no time, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. Let's go make this facial cream. Apart from making guacamole, the next best thing for avocado is to use it on your skin. The reason for that is that it is loaded with vitamin A. It contains the electrolytes that will help to tighten and firm the skin, hydrates the skin, smooth wrinkles and fine lines. And if you're looking to have your skin looking fresh, radiant, with a natural glow, then definitely use the avocado on your skin. So today I have a ripe avocado, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making a facial serum. So let's just cut open our avocado, and as you can see, it's just rich and fatty looking since it contains omega-3. So I'm going to be using about 2 ounces of this avocado. You don't need a lot, meaning that when you buy your avocado, all you need is 2 ounces from it for your facial. And what I'm going to be doing with this avocado, I am going to be peeling, removing the outer peel. Now, once I remove the outer peel, I am going to be chopping the avocado in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. However, if you do not have a blender, not to worry, you can go ahead and you can crush the avocado with a fork or even with a spoon. We're going to place it in the blender and we are going to be blending. Now, do not add any water to this. You want to blend this as is. Just blend. Now take a look, guys. Here we have our blended avocado. And just by looking at this, you could tell that avocado contains omega-3. Now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is rice. And this is some cooked rice. Now rice is another amazing ingredient to use on the skin. It helps to lighten and brighten the skin. I'm using rice for its tightening properties. It helps to tighten, firm the skin, and smooth wrinkles and fine lines, and it has been used from ancient days for the skin, for brightening, tighten and lighten the skin. Now you can choose to use any rice in this. You can choose to use purple rice, which contain even more vitamin A than the white rice, and you can also choose to use black rice. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blending the rice with the avocado. However, you can choose to blend them separately, which I find to be even better. But anyway, for today, I'm blending both together. Now do not add any water. We're still just blending the rice and the avocado. This is gonna take a while since I'm blending it together, but when you're making it at home, blend them separately, and that way the consistency for each is gonna be just right. Now I'm gonna use another ingredient in this, which is honey. If you're vegan, you can omit the honey and use some vegetable glycerine. Now, honey is great for aging skin, for sagging skin. If you have dry skin, honey is going to help to hydrate the skin. It's all natural and it's just amazing to mix with these two ingredients. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. Give and take. You really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And take a look at the only water that I'm going to be adding to this. And this is rose water. Skip the rose water if you don't have it. That's okay. So I'm using just a tablespoon of the rose water. And I'm using this for easier blending, but also to hydrate the skin and basically have the skin feeling cool and supple. So now we are going to blend, and we're going to blend well. And take a look at this, guys. Here we have it, guys. Here we have our avocado, rice, and onion mixture. And now we're going to add the oils. Now, when it comes on to adding the oils, guys, you are going to use at least 3 of your favorite oils in this. I have a lot of anti-aging oils. I'm at the stage of my life where my skin is showing wrinkles and fine lines. I need to hydrate. So I'm using all these amazing oils in mine. Any 3 that you have is good. So I'm going to be using a grapeseed oil. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. I'm also going to be using some almond oil, sweet almond oil, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. Next, I'm turning to vitamin E, and everyone should try to use some form of a vitamin E oil in this recipe. So I'm using a half of a teaspoon, and that's because my vitamin E oil is 28,000 IU. If you have a less vitamin E IU, then definitely use a little more. Now take a look at one of my newfound favorite oil, guys. This is the sesame seed oil, loaded with vitamin A for the aging skin. If you're looking to have a fresh look, a younger look, use some sesame seed oil on your skin. I'm also going to be using some rosehip oil, and both of these oils are good. Carrot seed butter is good, so just choose. Jojoba oil is also good. I am going to use all of this in mine, but use what you have. So I'm using a half of a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil in the mixture. And when you're looking for sesame seed, make sure to buy unroasted sesame seed oil. So now that we have all our oils, we are going to be blending. I'm going to put this back in the blender for a creamier texture. However, you do not need to do this. You could actually just stir the oils in. You're going to need a jar for storing, and I like to store in a glass jar with a tight cover. So take a look at this. This is what it looks like after blending. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to scoop this out in the bowl. And this is so rich. This is so creamy. This is so hydrating. If you have dry skin, guys, this is good for you. If you're over 60, this one is awesome for your skin. If you're in your 30s, this is going to give you that glass-like skin. If you're in your 50s upward, guys, this is going to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Just leave the skin just fresh looking. When you have this, guys, don't forget to take this down on your neck and your décolleté. Also, guys, if you find that your hands are a little wrinkled, use some of this on your hands. Store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. And this is great to use AM and PM. However, I prefer to use this at night. So what you do, you just pack it on. Right after you wash and you apply your facial toner, just lather this on. Walk around with it for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it dry on the skin. Then apply a second layer. Just be generous with it and let it dry and go to bed. Up on the rising in the morning, just rinse this off, pat dry the skin, and apply your daytime facial products. Just amazing, guys. You got to give this one a try. So there you have it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, and your comments are always welcome. Leave your comment, and guess what, guys? I'll see you in the next video with another amazing facial remedy. Bye-bye.